everyone, it's Candace, back for our day 12 of our Midlife Strength. You feeling stronger? Strength and Grace Challenge. Today's challenge is going to be more shoulders and hips, but a little gentler. So we're bringing in some grace with our strength. Let's start in child's pose. Coming down in child's pose. Building your breath. Longer inhale. Longer exhale. Start to notice the parts of you that are a little bit stiff, stuck, sticky. Maybe even taking a moment to thank yourself here for meeting yourself on the mat, even when your body isn't always feeling that great. Slowly begin to extend the arms into an active space, pressing the palms down, elbows float up off the floor. Walk both hands off to the left, and the right hip extends back towards the right heel. Come through center, same thing, other side. Hands to the left, right, and hips to the left. Hands to the right, hips to the left, moving towards the left heel. Back to center. Make your way up. Make your way up to hands and knees. We're going to take a little different variation. We've done this before from child's pose, but take your right hand and weave it under, leaving your hips a little bit high. Okay, you can drop down onto your left forearm. If you're finding this is too intense on your shoulders, go ahead and take your hips back towards a little more in that child's pose variation, and that might remove some pressure. Switch sides, left arm under, shoulder rinse. Drop to your forearm for some stability. And then coming back into child's pose. It can be helpful to have blocks. This is completely optional right here, but I'll show you both variations. I'll leave those there for a moment. Coming down to bend the elbows and bringing the hands together and behind the head is one variation. Or if you want a little bit deeper stretch, bring your elbows up onto the blocks. It just takes a smidgen of fiddling around with the blocks for spacing. And dropping your heart towards the mat. Hold this here for about 10, 9. Really try to soften, let the tricep, the back of the arm lengthen. Melt down to the floor. Unwind. Beautiful to set your blocks aside. We're going to roll right over onto our backs. I move to those blocks. Blocks can be helpful here too. Come all the way down to your back. Again, it's an option. Bringing your feet together. I'm just taking up all kinds of space. Bring your feet together, your knees wide. Placing these blocks underneath the outsides of the legs can be very helpful. Bring your hands to your body. Try to relax your shoulders as best you can. Yesterday's practice moved us a little more energetically. And part of balance is knowing that both rest and action are necessary. And drop your arms off to the sides. And rock the ear to the other side. Remove your blocks, set those aside, and roll up to seated. So coming into that butterfly here, lean forward, take toes, ankles. Only bring your heels back as far as it feels okay in your hips. It's not necessary to feel like you have to have them all the way up against your body. Nice and long. While you're down here, you can give your feet a little massage too if you like. Rub your thumbs, release some tension. Our feet take a lot of our day, a lot of our tensions, a lot of brunt, if you will, getting us from here to there, and whatever we do to navigate our days, they don't always get enough attention. All right, beautiful. Now sitting up nice and tall, we're going to take this right leg and bring it off to the side. So now you're looking at approximately 2 right angles here unless of course you need to shake out the first leg. Approximately 2 right angles. Turn your torso. This is my left side, so my torso is going to go towards my left shin, and walk forward for another stretch. It's so easy during moments of, oh, I have found a really tense area, to do extra gripping. So if you're discovering that for yourself, bring in a deeper breath and do your very best to try to relax. Maybe even lift your torso up so there's slightly less sensation, so that muscle learns how to relax. Give it a little bit less of a job, and then eventually you'll be able to lean back deeper into it. We're going to switch sides. So take your 2 right angles on the other side. your right heart towards your right shin. Flex your feet. Let this right leg come down to the floor. Yes, your opposite hip will pop up a little bit. Nice deep belly breaths here. And then press yourself up. Send legs straight ahead. Point your toes. Flex. Move your ankles around. And then bring your hands back behind your body. Press into your hands, lifting up your heart. Elbows draw in a little bit. This might be as far as you go. Sitting up nice and tall. If you'd like to lift your hips, simply press into your heels. Engage the core. Stabilize strong arms. And then release back down. All right, shake that out. Nice job. We'll do that one more time. Leaning back. Press. Lift. And release. Nice job. Nice job. Bring the arms in, shake it out. Roll the shoulders. I'm going to bring in a seated variation of cat-cow here. So as you come forward this time, start to tuck the tailbone and round in the back. Bring the shoulders up and around, and heart comes forward. Keep moving. Giving yourself a nice big range. Opening the upper back. Let the shoulder blades come out and around and then hug together and then out and around. Yeah. All right, reverse that. Whew, come to center. Shake it out. How you feeling? Yeah. Yeah, that loosens things up a lot. It feels great. Oh, if I could see you right now, I know your expressions would be, inhale, sweep it up. Exhale, palms go out, reach your left hand down, right hand up, stretching along the side body. And switch. Give a little tuck to the tailbone if you're starting to feel some low back stuff. Keep that core engaged. Come up through center. Chin comes in. Tuck that chin in so you've got a nice long cervical spine. And then one ear to one shoulder. We're going to take a half circle. Travel on over to the other side. And then back to the original. Bring your head up to center. One more time, reach up. Hands come to heart. Beautiful practice. We need all parts of yoga to create our inner strength to give us the balance and the mobility and the freedom in our life. I am so proud of you. Stick to it. This is the conclusion of day number 12. At the end of the week, I've got a little surprise announcement for you, but for now, day 13, we'll see you tomorrow. Thank you so much for joining.